Well, good morning, Campfire crew. This is Tony and Stella checking in from the Valentine's booth. Stella, where did you go? Hey, we have a great video in store for y'all today. So I've got a buddy over at Cog Hill named Jason, and Jason sent us some cast iron seasoning, and I'll let you see it. A container of cast iron seasoning to season cast iron with after you redo some cast iron. And before I made a video about it, I wanted to do a couple of pieces and really see how it works so I can give you a fair assessment of the cast iron seasoning. I can go ahead and tell you this. I have zero complaints. It works really well and it done a great job. So I've got a couple of pieces of cast iron that we cleaned using Jason's seasoning, and I've got them on the video. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. And one of them is a unique piece, and I hope y'all enjoyed the little guitar piece of cast iron. That was pretty sweet. Hey, y'all come along, and I hope you enjoy the video. Stella, where are you at? All right, Campfire crew, we have got a really, really nasty Dutch oven. This thing was coated. It's been in electrolysis for about 4 or 5 days, and hey, this just might be the initial clean. We may have to put it back in. We're gonna try it one time and see how it turns out. So we got us a soap pad and dishwashing liquid. Get us a little water in it and let's see what happens. It looks like it might be coming out. Still, is it gonna come clean or not? All right, we're gonna get it dry. Once we get it dry, we're gonna put some seasoning on it, and I got a surprise for y'all. Okay, I told y'all that I have a surprise. Y'all know that I made some seasoning coating that's wax-based or beeswax-based, but I've got a buddy named Jason over at Cog Hill Farms, and some of y'all may know him. Maybe, oh no, 300,000 or 400,000 of y'all may know him. But Jason sent me over some cast iron seasoning from Cog Hill, and it's made with avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and beeswax off of their farm. So one thing that we've all come to realize, that if you put a couple of oils together that are real high temp oils like grapeseed oil and avocado oil, they take some type of binder to really make them mix and do what it's supposed to do. So the beeswax will help this thing to polymerize, and these oils mix together. Once it does it, it makes a coating that will not quit. So Jason, I appreciate the cast iron seasoning, and let's give it a try on Sean's Dutch oven. So this is the Dutch oven I told you that a buddy of mine works down in Montgomery named Sean sent up here, and this thing was awful. It literally had laid in the woods for years and years, and he found it on some property they have. And I didn't know if it was going to come clean or not, but it come pretty clean. So let's get some seasoning on that thing with this new Cog Hill seasoning. And again, Jason, thank you, my buddy. Let's see how this stuff works. Stella, where did you go? Oh, it's pretty. It's got a good color to it. Okay, if y'all have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate how dedicated y'all are to the channel. And I want you to know, we really try hard to make decent content, because there's a lot of channels I just can't watch, and there's a lot of channels I can watch. But I love to watch interesting stuff. So thank y'all if you're still watching. And if y'all are not subscribed to the channel, y'all hit that subscribe button for me. Now, while I got you, I want to show you a couple of things that some folks that are subscribed to the channel sent us. And one of them is these little coasters. I almost couldn't figure out what you call them. Are some coasters. So I got a good friend named Miss Sue, or Cockadoodle Sue, and her husband Mike. They had these things made for us and sent them up here. Can y'all see how beautiful those little things are? They'll be great to use out here in the lodge. I love a good coaster. And also, we have a small cast iron skillet. And this small cast iron skillet, a young lady sent me this, and her name is Cheryl, and she's also put different names on the card, Milo and Carly Joe, and I think it says Kona or Kana. And Cheryl, or Miss Cheryl, I want to thank you very much for sending the little cast iron skillet up here. It looks like it's an ashtray or something real similar to an ashtray. But Miss Cheryl, thank you very much. We're going to cherish the little ashtray, and we'll get it cleaned up, and it'll be something that we use. All right, let's get back to the video. It definitely goes on good. All right, we got the inside. Now we've got the outside. So it goes on extremely well. It does a good job. So let's let it cook for about an hour, and then we're gonna come back and see how well the Cog Hill cast iron seasoning is gonna do on this old Dutch oven. Stella, let's get this temp up. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's coming on. Let's get us a little bit more seasoning on it. So it's got some little places with some pitting in it. And I'm trying to get it in them little holes. It's just very hot. Get it wiped back down. Alright, looks good. That Cog Hill seasoning is working very well. It's leaving a nice coat of real dark colored seasoning on top of it. I like it. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put one more coating on top of it, and we're gonna call it. It's been in there for a couple hours, and it looks like it's doing well. So let's season it again, and then let's look. Right, we got a new small piece of cast iron to let y'all see how small this thing is. This is a spoon holder for when you're cooking, and I want y'all see how cute that thing is. It literally stripped down to the bare metal, and we are just about to put some of this cast iron seasoning solution that we got from Jason over at Cog Hill. So let's get some solution on it, and I'll let you see what it looks like. All right, let's get this thing opened up. There's the Cog Hill seasoning, and that's the cast iron. Boy, it's turning out good. There's the second lid that come with the little Dutch oven. And here is the spoon holder. It's getting there. It's got a little light place on it right back here. Let's put a little bit more seasoning on it and see what it turns out like. That thing's hot. It looks good though. Okay. Alright, we flipped it over. Got a little bit on the other side. We're gonna let this thing cook for just a few more minutes, and we're gonna call it good. See if we can darken it up just a little bit on that end too. Getting there. All right, we'll check back in a little bit. All right, that's the video for this week, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Man, it is so awesome that y'all decide to follow us and help me and Stella out and watch our channel and watch our videos, and I hope you found something on the video that you thought's interesting and it's something that you can use. All right, as always, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You ought to be out here with me and Stella, cleaning some Dutch ovens and playing with some coasters and doing fun stuff.